Hi everyone! I hope you enjoyed writing your ghost stories. It's one of my favourite type of stories, so I cannot wait to read all of yours. What I'd like you to do is to share your stories with everybody else. So whoever you can share them with, share them. If it's a scary ghost story, you might want to turn up the lights and use a torch to read by. Oh my goodness, that scared me completely. How awful. Or if it's a funny story, you might want to see if people laugh in the places where you expected them to. Don't forget that writing a really good story can take lots and lots of editing. So you might want to go back and edit bits to make it scarier or more funny once you've seen how people react to it. Or you might not, up to you. I can't wait to read them. I hope you had fun writing them. There are some extra tasks on the resources as well if you want to do those. And I just wish you all happy reading and writing. Bye everyone.